People, how are you doing? Today I want to make something for you. I want to make peanut and plantain porridge. If you want to learn more about that, stay tuned. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Inspiring Charm, providing you one inspiration at a time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. For those of you who are coming back, thank you very much for your support. I do appreciate it. As I am back, I went ahead and I shelled 1.5 bag of my peanuts, and now I'm going to go ahead and peel my plantains. I'm using the peanut with all the trash and everything on it. I'm going to peel my plantains. So remember, we're making peanut and plantain porridge. Then I'm going to slice them. Put it in my blender. Now I'm going to add this to my blender. To my blender, I'll be adding 1/4 cup of flour, and about 1.5 cup of water, and then I'm gonna blend that. You're gonna blend it until you get it to the consistency that you like. I love mine to be really smooth. Some persons like theirs to be chunky, but I'm gonna blend mine until it is smooth. So this is the pot that I'll be using to boil my porridge, plantain porridge mix. So to this pot, I'll be adding a few leaves of cinnamon. You can add cinnamon sticks if you want. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla. That's half. That's 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And a half tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna let that boil while I finish blending the plantain and peanuts. So now I'm gonna add the remainder of peanut and plantain to my first mixture. You could separate it and throw it into another container. But I'm just keeping it clean and easy to go. The reason why I'm using the flour is to get that get the porridge to be thick, thicker, not too watery. So I split the 1/4 cup of flour in two. And I'm gonna add another cup of water to that and blend this all together. My My mixture is all blended and ready to go in my pot, so I'm gonna go there now. This is the consistency of the peanut and plantain blend. And I'm gonna apply this to my pot, or add this to my pot. Okay guys, my water is ready for my plantain and peanut mixture. Normally I would use raw peanut, but over here I don't seem to be able to find the raw peanut. It's always roasted. When I was in Jamaica, I could have gotten raw peanut, but I've done it both ways. If you have the raw peanut, you can go ahead and use that. If you don't have it, you can also use the roasted one. The raw peanut will allow the color to be red, which is what I like. But this porridge is very rich. Protein, potassium, flavonoids, all the iron. Ensure that you stir consistently because you do not want it to thicken at the bottom and start burning. So you're gonna stir it until it started to boil again. Then you're gonna lower your flame and let it cook for about 20 minutes. If you find that it is sticking to the bottom of the pot, lower your flame right there and then. You can also add additional water if it is too thick. So now guys, I'm gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes. So guys, you want to make sure you're going periodically and stir your porridge. Okay, my lovely people, my porridge is finished. So that's how you want it to look. You notice the color has changed a little bit darker. Now I'm going to go in and mix it. I'll be using a sweetened condensed milk. You can use whatever milk you like or you prefer. So now I'm adding half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I'm going to be adding half tin of the milk, and I'm using this milk because I want to have that rich creamy look and taste to my porridge. I'm gonna add some nutmeg. I'm gonna add about I'm just gonna add a pinch of nutmeg to that, or mixed spice if you have mixed spice. You can also add some rose water or almond essence at this time, whichever one you like, or you can leave them out. It's totally optional. I'm just gonna add a pinch of rose water, just a dime size, not a lot because I don't like when it's too overpowering. Just a drop. You should smell that flavor coming out. It goes a long way. This is where I add a little butter. You need to add a little bit of fat to whatever you're cooking. So I'm adding about a tablespoon of butter to that. I'm just going to allow that to melt and simmer for about 2 minutes. And then I'm going to serve. It is a complete meal. Now be careful when you're tasting this because it's pretty hot. Tasty. Whoever wants it sweeter can add more milk to theirs or sugar. That's good for me. Alright guys, remember to like, share, comment. Tell me what you think about it. Try it and let me know. Bye for now. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm. Thank you for always supporting me.